Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is the continuation of the other previous tutorial on how to connect two PCs with one Ethernet port. So here, once the wires have been entered correctly and you have confirmed that they have reached the top, you are able to see the wires from the top. Squeeze the RJ45 harder so that these wires don't come out. Do the same like we did in the previous tutorial. So you can see this end has two heads, and also this end must have two heads, so that this head which has white orange will enter into a PC, and this end which has the same color will enter into the switch. Also this end will enter the switch, then this one will enter into another PC, as we are going to see. So untwist this blue. Here I'm going to be some kind of faster, since we already saw how to do this. So I'm going to be kind of faster.
Photocopy. How much? Full time how much? This one? Three?
800.
Cut them so that they are the same level on top here. Then get your RJ. Try to push these wires inside like that. Then count 1, 2, 3. The third line, the sixth line, you put there. So as you can see, it's well fixed. Then squeeze the wire.
You know what?
Squeeze the wire, I mean the RJ45, so that the wires are tight inside. Then let's first test. Since I have a phone that I want to use for demonstration purposes, but the same applies to the PC. If you have a PC, it will work perfectly. Then let's use our Ethernet adapter. For those who haven't watched our video on how to connect your phone to the internet using Ethernet adapter, Wi-Fi, I mean USB Ethernet adapter with this OTG cable, I mean OTG connector. You can click on our link in the description below to watch or a video on how to connect your phone. If your phone supports OTG connection to the internet, this phone already does supports OTG. So let's connect. Once it connects, then on the PC it will be direct. Let's first begin with this the white orange. Let's begin with the white orange line, and this side of the cable is this one. So you can see these are same lines, this one and this one, the same line, this white, blue, and this one, they are still. So let's take our we connect it to the switch. It's a data link switch. It's well fixed. This one, it's well fixed. Then it's this, as you can see, this. Then it's the cable that we terminated. Then let's connect it to our phone. Let's connect it to our phone to see if this has worked. You see, once you put OTG settings, then enable OTG, then you see, let's disable. I think Wi-Fi is off and data is off. Let's first remove the cable. We first test, because this is our cable. This is our cable. So this is our cable. What's wrong with this cable? Can we put it under that?
Hello.
So that
Hello.
Do you have some color different?
We have, but the quality is not good.
then
It has,
let me
missing.
connect this, since we already did what? Since we already enabled OTG, so it has connected. So when you try to see,
That green will come out and black.
you'll find
So this red will not come.
connected successfully. The challenge here is this thingy. Yes, the cable, as you can see, the cable was the one which was not tight, but as you can see, this, okay, kind of light, this light is
What's the number?
yes, like there.
077
Zoom it.
04 89
using it here. The cable is connected. Then
Ali. WhatsApp nitumie WhatsApp kache.
then yeah, it has connected, as you see. So once you try to browse,
Or maybe Bluetooth. This guy is using the phone. That's using Bluetooth.
internet is there. So if you try to remove the cable and you try to search for something and see, so if you bring back the cable, shows, and the sign there will appear, as you can see. And if you click on try again, poof. So that's one line, as you can see. This is one of the lines. So this is the remaining line which we need to test also. So let's remove this line. So if you connect this line to the PC, this one, your PC will get connected using only those 4 wires. Then let's connect this line where, let's also connect this to maybe this port.
Yeah, go to WhatsApp direct and then
Then
with the WhatsApp.
we bring it, we come and connect this other end to our USB LAN. Then let's observe on our phone here and see if it has connected. Yep, as you see. This is, let's try to search here. Maybe let me put Facebook, and we search, see, saying, so let me remove and put it back. So you can see the sign has appeared. Then try poof. So we have successfully tested these 2 different lines, as you can see. So if you have a PC, you can connect it to this line. Then you have a second one, you connect it to this line. So this line is for the first PC, this line is for the second PC. So yeah, so if you have learned anything from this tutorial, you can click on subscribe, and we shall bring new things in case you'll be notified. And don't forget to like and share this page. Thank you for watching.